Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Circuitness Batmobile. This time we'll explore the Batmobile's ability to detect the ball in front of it. To begin, connect Batmobile to your PC, enter circuit blocks and click on New Sketch. Go to the Vision Block section and select the first block saying Set Detection None. Click on None and change it to Balls. Next, in the Loops block section, look for a Loop Forever block and place it under the first one. This block will ensure detection is happening all the time. Now, return to the Vision block section where you'll find the Detect block. Inside this block, we'll include everything we want to do after Batmobile is done with detecting what's in front of it. Look for the If-Else block in the Logic block section. With this block, we'll check if something is detected with the camera. Now add the Comparison block from the Logic block section. In the first part of the block, insert the Vision block saying Get Detected Ball Radius and make sure it's not equal to 0. Why? Well, if the radius is 0, it means that Batmobile failed to detect the ball. When the ball is successfully detected, let's print Ball Detected in the serial monitor. The serial monitor can be shown at the bottom of your screen, displaying all the information transmitted between your PC and the device. Other than text, we want the backlights on the Batmobile to turn on, write ball radius in the serial monitor and display the ball's radius. With the backlights on, we want to wait for the 500 milliseconds and then turn them off. To do that, we use the Sleep block to pause the execution of our sketch. If we did not put the Sleep block there, the backlights off block would come right after the backlights were turned on. That means turning them off faster than your eye could perceive they were on. In the Else section of the red block, write the message that will be displayed in the serial monitor if Batmobile fails to detect the ball. Add another Sleep block with the time 200 milliseconds. The program will wait for only 200 milliseconds after each detection, before returning to the beginning of the Loop Forever block and performing the detection again. Please note that the Sleep block will only pause the program for the specified duration of the time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next guide.